Hey, what's up everyone? John here and welcome to today's Webflow jam session. So today we're just going to do a few things. We're going to style the tablet and mobile menu. So here if I go to the website, so here we have the desktop version, and then yesterday we added the mobile menu. So I just want to style this, add the add to cart button here, and just make it look more like it's part of the website. So yeah, that's what we'll be working on today. There's not really much to review from yesterday, so I'll go ahead and get started. So I got my timer here and start. Cool. So the first thing I want to do is remove this icon because this icon doesn't really match the style of the site. So I'll select it, and then for the display setting, I'll set it to none. So we hide that icon. So let me see in here. Yeah, we just want to hide the icon. So we should still, so we still have access to the menu button here, which is great. So within that menu button, I'm going to go to actually the desktop version here. I'm going to copy this menu button, so this menu button wrapper, and I'm going to paste right in there. Perfect. So we have that, and I'll go ahead and duplicate this class and call it menu button tablet. And I'll remove the interaction because this is not going to have the menu open. So on desktop, if we preview, this menu button opens this menu, but on tablet, when we click, it's going to open this menu. So we don't need any interaction onto this one because the Navbar automatically comes with this interaction and this kind of tablet and mobile menu. Nice. Okay, cool. So the next thing I want to do is we don't need this brand this brand div. So if we go into the container for the Navbar, we have this brand div. So I'll go ahead and select it and then set the display setting to none. And for the container, I'll give it a flex setting of flex, and we'll do justify right. So the menu button goes to the right and center. Perfect. All right, so the menu button fits nicely in there, looks good. Now the next thing we want to do is add I'm kind of going between preview there just so I can see the mobile menu. The next thing we want to do is add the cart button or the cart here. So I'll hit Command C to copy the cart, go to the tablet version and paste the cart right in there. So we can see it's going after the menu button. So we'll just go to the navigator and we'll grab the menu button and we'll put the cart on top of the menu button. So it goes before it. Nice. So let me look at the spacing. The spacing is a little bit far. So for the cart button, I'm going to select the cart button here. So we have the cart and then the cart button. So for the cart button, I'm just going to remove the margin from the right. And yeah, that spacing looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. And let's go ahead and remove the gray background from the nav bar. So I'll go ahead and set the color to transparent for the background. So I just went to the background there, selected the nav bar, and went to the background here. Cool. So if I preview, it's looking good. It's looking like it's more part of the website. All right, so now let's go ahead and style the click state of the menu button. So I'll select the menu button and go to open menu, and then I'll go into the styles panel, and let's go ahead and style the background here. So let me see here. So I'll have to give it a class. I'll say menu button or tablet menu button. And so there we have it opened. And cool. I think we might have had a class name called that, tablet. No, we didn't. But as soon as I give it a class name, it kind of changes the styling, or maybe not. So let's see. So it's opened. Let me go ahead and open the menu, tablet menu button. And cool. So let's change the selector to pressed. And how about focused? Hover. Okay. So I'll have to work with that. I'll need to change that color there. But let's go ahead into the nav links here, or into the nav menu, and change this background color to white. Cool. And then we'll change the nav links. So I'll call this tablet nav link. And also for the nav menu, it gave it the class name nav menu. And let's see here. Don't know why I went to the center, so let me set it back to block. Okay, yeah, it gave it a span there for some reason, but we want it to be block, so it stays on the left. Then we'll change the font to Rubic, and let's do Rubic. Maybe, yeah, Rubic normal looks good. And let's change it to capital and give it some letter spacing. Cool. And I'll just do the same here. So my 5 minutes are almost up. And tablet nav link. Cool. All right, nice. So let's go ahead and rename this. So we have home, and let's see, home. Actually, yeah, Beoplay H4. So I'll just give it these menu items. So let's go ahead back into the menu. So I'll just say Beoplay H4 and features, gallery, tech spec. Cool. So let me open it here. Features. So I'm over my 5 minutes, but that's okay. Gallery. And I'll just copy and paste a few more times. And tech spec and setup. Cool. Tech spec setup. I might even add, I don't know if this is a good idea, but Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Because it's a mobile menu and we're trying to save some real estate within the site, I just added the social media here at the bottom. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but we'll leave it for now. So now we have the menu and we can click to these different pages. I also might add a border to the bottom of this to kind of separate each menu item. So I'll do something like border bottom, we'll say black, and change the alpha to like maybe 10. Yeah, 10, just to keep it nice and clean. And then for the nav menu, I'll add some margin from the bottom and the top just to give it some extra space. Or no, not margin, padding, excuse me. Yeah, let's do padding, maybe 30. And cool. So I open, we have that nice menu, looks good. All right, yeah, and then we go to mobile landscape, mobile portrait, we have that menu. So cool, I'm pretty happy with that. I know it was a lot of like styling. Basically, we just pasted in the menu button here from the desktop. We pasted it into as the menu button for the tablet menu, and we also pasted it in the cart, added some flex settings here, and then styled the menu here. So I'm trying to still find the current state for this button. So let's see, open. So maybe I just have to go in here. Yeah, that's it. Cool. So I'm actually gonna remove, or just yeah, I can set it to transparent here. We don't want any color for the open state on the button. So the user clicks and it just opens. I think that's okay. Like the user will know once it opens, it's open. It doesn't need that color for the open state. Nice. So that's it. And I could probably add an interaction here to turn into an X when the menu opens. That might be interesting. But for now, I like the way it looks. Hopefully that was all clear. I know I went through it kind of quickly. But yeah, it's just adding the nav bar, styling it, and kind of making it look more like part of the website. Awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching. That was maybe 7 minutes today. But yeah, I'm liking the way the site's looking. I can go ahead and publish, and then I'll use the Chrome inspector to see how it's looking. So desktop, awesome, really like it. We have this here for the desktop. We have the cart, nice. Slideshow, perfect. Then I'll inspect, and let's use the Chrome inspector right in here, and let's go to, let's say, a Galaxy S5, and bam. This is how it will look on a Galaxy S5, and let's do a Pixel 2, it's a little bit bigger. It's looking really good. Awesome. So yeah, that's it for today's Webflow jam session. Thanks for watching, and I'll quickly go to the templates. So yeah, if you want to get started quickly with Webflow, you can check out the templates at the WebDev for You shop, and you can click on the templates and preview them and just check them out. So I will be making video tutorials on all of these templates, but yeah, they're really nice templates to get started, and yeah, it's just a nice way to showcase work. And yeah, if you're watching this YouTube video, you can get a discount off all templates in the shop. WFY-YouTube will give you a discount off any template here, a 20% discount off any template here. Cool. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next jam session.